Okay, here's my third video. I've put the line into the front carburetor, or excuse me, throttle body. I don't know why I said that. I've got the canister, and here's my IASP sensor. I have everything hooked up like it's supposed to. Now when I do this and hook it up, this is what comes across my screen. Check. Don't know why, but I'm going to start it for you, and I'm going to show you what it sounds like. It sounds horrible with the vacuum lines in place where they're supposed to be. So here we go. Let's see. Now see, it runs all over the place like that. Now I'm gonna hook these lines and I'm gonna show you what it runs like without the canister.